Today I'm bringing you a video on this new product called Z-WAGZ. It's from a company called ZZ-2. So if you're in construction, any emergency vehicles, towing, anything like that, you would probably want some form of indication if you're stuck on the side of the roads, if you're on scene. I'm just gonna show you quickly. 1, 2, 3, 4. It is utilizing the factory lights to alert drivers around you, showing you that you are on scene attending to a situation. If you go to the front, again, it's using all the OEM lights, and there's different flash patterns if you want to stay up there, Diego. Changes the pattern. Several patterns to choose from. As soon as you turn off the vehicle, shuts off by itself. If you are on site, cars parked up on the side of the road, and you want to turn on your emergency flashers for whatever reason, say you're on scene, lock, unlock, lock, unlock, will also re-enable the strobe system. It's probably flashing the back, but it'll just keep flashing until you hit lock, unlock, lock, unlock, which will then disable the system again. ZZ-2 Z-WAGZ, if you own a Chevy, GM, Fords are covered as well. So usually anything that's highly used in construction vehicles, first responders, anything like that. If you're interested in getting that installed, call Lockdown Security. We can help you out. Catch you next time.